One of the recurring themes you're going to see throughout the slide deck, throughout these tips and tricks, is really the core, in my opinion, of living life better prepared. I say that the most important thing you can have in life and in every situation is options. No matter how you look at it, if you have options, you have the capability to do something. If you have no options, you're at the mercy of someone else, at someone or something else. Could be a person, it could be fate, it could be a situation. If you have no options, you are in trouble. So if you don't have any options, try and find some. If you can't find any, try and create some. The more options you have, the better prepared you can be to deal with that situation. Unfortunately, you might discover that sometimes there are no good options. You might have several options, but they're all bad. So at times you're going to be looking for the least bad option to get through whatever situation you're in.